In this lesson plan, you're going to learn about the leading ways to attract, engage and inspire new clients and customers using the internet's hottest social platform, Facebook. First, you want to create a plan. You need to identify a purpose of all your Facebook campaigns, identify the target audience, determine the strategies and determine how you measure the success of each strategy. After that, you want to get more likes. Seeing hundreds of thousands of likes on a Facebook page provides the social proof that this is a place that is happening. So what do you need to do to get more likes? Well, common sense would say provide the content that your target market want and do so frequently and consistently. Now, you could purchase ads that can promote your page beyond your immediate network and make sure when you launch your Facebook ad campaign that you are publishing interesting and valuable content on a regular basis. Also, if you're a local business, then you want to make sure that your page is set up as a Facebook place, and this means that customers can check in at each location. When using a smartphone or tablet, the user is immediately presented with a like button which can help generate additional likes. Now, once you've done that, you want to start building interaction. You could consider hosting some weekly Q&A sessions on Facebook Live, posting daily tips with relevant information for your clients, sharing pictures of you and your brand in your community, and share both good and bad experiences. Once you've done that, you want to turn those likes into leads. Would you be more inclined to buy a product based on a print advertisement that highlighted the benefits you wanted from that item, or based on an actual conversation on Facebook that you had with a representative of the company producing the product? Well, of course you would. You want to aim to start conversations about topics that are valuable to your target market. So, therefore, consider how much better your suggestion would be received within the context of a discussion about nutritional programming ideas versus a commercially focused status update that simply promoted your site. This essentially is what engagement is all about, and why, if you use Facebook effectively, you have the potential of increasing sales at the tiny fraction of what it would have cost you to advertise and market in the traditional way.